On the 23rd of December 2022, the members of the Hynniewtrep Integrated Territorial Organization Hito had met reporters in the city to publicly announce their role as a pressure group, especially in the electoral process of the state of Meghalaya. Speaking on the matter, the president of Hito, Non-Mda, said that the organization has the right to campaign for any political party in the state. However, he specifically stated that Hito may lend support and campaign for parties like the VPP, the TMC or the Congress, and not for any of those that are within the MDA government and led by NPP, which has exploited the masses in more ways than one.
Madai nak kena ko parti, lagi nak lekini ki parti ke belak ada pesat lah, ada syukari ke pajak, lagi nak kita, dari ye kitu ki berang thamai bat ki belong eligible candidate, ki balak ban tei bat ki balak ban keren ban pensyai, bat balak ban senaan ngin keren ye kita. Minum I specific, ngila ban kanvas ke VPP, ngila ban kanvas ke TMC, ngila ban kanvas ke Congress, UDP, ke Komuniti Terter, SSPDP, PDF, daki no ki bom yadan bat kene ke NPP. Jika NPP ru baling ilong against badai barka kalau along kalau thok kalau syukur. Page example kum hakan ni mau baling bila pas ke cabinet ban numan rak rai ke festival. Kiki ang bagi la cancel. Hendrai dang haki ni kisi ke khatkan nadu khatkan dai hadu arpui ka don katuka winter tales. Te hang tu pila pau syai bakal thok. Te ya kan ni kum thok. Ban ong ye soi ke ordinance le be pitip kila ban pun kala. But ke kanili haba ni la syak tunjuk nadu ke spak ke poh kene katai pengala suhi ka jing bom kwa konrat ban shong special session bugdon jingmut selendet ke basniu ya ke jala ke jungi bangi ngim de civil organization ngim de NGO ngim de pressure group ke bangi de political leaders tangi ni don da ka benta ke jungi ban pressure la dangi i ka no ko sarkar kala long fail tade hakata ko nong rem kum ke pressure group bangi se la dangi don hok ban complain bakile e jingmutla ni don hok ru ban yala persya yaki te halor kata kanong rem ni la ban persya pat mun pensngo yo pen yo padba ban jalap election persya iki